Hey there, welcome back to our journey through Someday is Today, a practical guide to achieving your dreams. I'm thrilled to have you here for Chapter 2, where we're about to turn up the heat on your dreams. Last time, we laid the groundwork by identifying what really lights a fire under your ambitions. Today, we're going to transform those sparks into a blazing path forward with SMART goals. Yes, you heard it right. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that are going to catapult you from I wish to I will. Get ready to break down your dreams into bite-sized, actionable pieces that you can start chasing today. No more vague ideas, only clear, targeted steps that pave the way to real success. So, grab your goal-setting gear and let's get smart about making your dreams a vivid reality. You're not going to want to miss this. Chapter 2, Setting SMART Goals. Now that you've dug up a treasure trove of dreams, let's make sure they don't just float away like castles in the clouds. Enter the world of SMART goals, the master architects that help turn your ambitions into reality. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Imagine this as your blueprint for transforming those fuzzy dreams into a crystal clear, blockbuster action plan. Ready to roll? Let's build those dreams into something spectacular. The power of clarity. Turning a hazy dream into a sharp, actionable goal is absolutely key. Without that clear vision, goals can quickly become daunting or simply float away into the land of daydreams. That's where SMART goals swoop in. They offer a foolproof structure that not only clarifies your ambitions, but also ensures they're achievable and in sync with your bigger life plans. Think of it as giving your dreams a roadmap and a compass, so they don't get lost, but instead lead you directly to your desired destination. Ready to give your goals the clarity they deserve? Let's dive in. Specific, get crystal clear. When setting goals, specificity is your best friend. A specific goal eliminates any guesswork by clearly defining what you want to achieve. This isn't just about stating a wish, it's about nailing down the specifics, the what, why, and how. It's like telling your GPS exactly where you want to go, not just somewhere fun. Example transformation. Vague, I want to be healthier. Specific, I want to run a 5K race in under 30 minutes by the end of the year. See the difference? The specific goal isn't just about getting healthier, it's about setting a measurable, clear target. This gives you a concrete objective and a solid plan to work towards, turning I want to be healthier from a wishful thought into a tangible, achievable milestone. Ready to sharpen your goals? Let's get specific and make those dreams Ultra HD. Measurable. A measurable goal isn't just a target, it's your progress bar. By quantifying what success looks like, you create a clear marker to aim for and a way to track your journey there. This is about turning your ambitions into numbers, percentages, or any quantifiable metric that lets you gauge how close you are to your destination. Example transformation. Vague, I want to improve my writing skills. Measurable, I want to write 500 words per day for the next 3 months. By setting a measurable goal like this, you're not just hoping to get better, you're planning how to get there. Each day's 500 words become a checkmark on your progress chart, giving you concrete evidence of your improvement and a satisfying way to see your skills grow. Ready to measure up? Let's quantify those goals and watch your achievements stack up. Achievable, set realistic reach. While it's great to aim high, your goals need to be within the realm of possibility, stretching your abilities without straining them. An achievable goal means assessing your current resources and constraints honestly and setting targets that you can realistically hit. This ensures you're not setting yourself up for frustration, but instead are preparing for success. Example transformation. Vague, I want to be rich. Achievable, I want to increase my income by 20% within the next 12 months through freelance projects and investing. This transformation shifts from a broad desire to a specific, attainable plan. It not only defines what rich means in measurable terms, but also outlines a clear strategy for getting there, based on actionable steps like freelancing and investing. Ready to turn those big dreams into real plans? Let's set goals that challenge yet are completely within your grasp. Relevant. Connect your goals to your big picture. A relevant goal doesn't just sit in isolation. It's a piece of your larger life puzzle. By ensuring your goals align with your broader values and long-term objectives, you make each step forward meaningful. This connection guarantees that your efforts contribute directly to the grand vision you have for your life, making every goal a building block to your ultimate aspirations. Example transformation. Vague, I want to learn a new language. Relevant, I want to learn Spanish to a conversational level to help communicate better with clients from Latin America, improving my business opportunities. Here, the goal of learning Spanish isn't just about adding a skill. It's strategically chosen to enhance business communications and expand professional reach. This makes the goal not only appealing, but also incredibly pertinent to personal and career growth. Ready to make your goals count? Let's ensure they align with and accelerate your broader ambitions. Time-bound, set your success clock. Setting a deadline does more than just mark a date on your calendar. It lights a fire under your goals, creating a sense of urgency that propels you forward. A time-bound goal is crucial because it prevents your day-to-day tasks from overshadowing your bigger ambitions. It gives you a clear finish line to race towards. Example transformation. Vague, I want to write a book. Time-bound, I want to complete the first draft of my novel within 6 months. This transformation turns an open-ended aspiration into a pressing mission with a deadline. It not only specifies what you want to achieve, but also when, making your path forward clear and your timeline definite. Ready to beat the clock? Let's set dates that motivate you to move and succeed. Drafting your SMART goals, blueprint for success. Now that you're equipped with the secrets of SMART goal setting, it's time to roll up your sleeves and put this powerful tool to work. Let's transform your dreams into well-crafted missions, starting right here, right now. Grab the template from this chapter and follow along as we turn each of your personal aspirations into sharply defined objectives. Here's how to kick things off. 1. Jot down a vague goal that's been lingering in your mind. 2. Refine this goal by making it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down each element. Specific, what exactly do you want to achieve? Measurable, how will you track your progress? Achievable, is your goal realistic with the resources at hand? Relevant, does this goal align with your larger life objectives? Time-bound, when will you reach this goal? By the end of this chapter, you'll have not just set goals, but crafted a nearly foolproof blueprint for achievement. You'll see a clear path laid out from dreams to reality, mapped out in precise steps. Ready to stride confidently down this path? Let's begin shaping your future, one SMART goal at a time, making each step a deliberate stride towards success. And that's a wrap on Chapter 2 of Someday is Today, a practical guide to achieving your dreams. Thanks for hanging out with us, and I really hope you snagged at least one gem today to turbocharge your goal-setting game. Don't wander off too far. Chapter 3 is just around the corner, and we're diving deep into the psychology of goal setting. It's going to be a mind-bending adventure that you won't want to miss. So go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the Daily Leap, and don't forget to ring that bell so you're the first to join in as we continue this incredible journey. Here's to making every day count. Have an absolutely wonderful day.